Hey guys, it's Miss Lewis here, Miss Credit Repair, Maryland, nationwide. Seems as though I have got my own letters today. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, that's me. Let me see if we can do the United Credit Education Services. We got, let me see, we got my name here. I can't show you my whole address. I don't need no stalkers. I don't need no stalkers. Let's open this envelope, huh? Alright, let's see what we got. Let's open it up. Oh, this is nice. Ooh. All right, guys. So, as you see, you sign up for credit repair with my company. Not a problem. We send you this exact detailed step-by-step organizational letter here. These are the letters you get. You get three. 1, 2, 3, and detailed steps. Exactly what to do